Hello everyone, it is Alolan Shadowy here, and I am here to give you a huge announcement. So huge, I don't know how to react to this. Is this true? Is this false? Apparently, a website called PokeJungle.net. Yes everyone, there has been a huge reveal. Pocket Watch. Now what exactly is Pocket Watch? Well, apparently to PokeJungle.net, it is basically Pokemon and Yokai Watch coming together, and it's supposed to come out December 21st, 2018. And this was announced by someone called Moving today on April Fool's and Easter. Which, again, everyone happy Easter. But anyways, what is mentioned here? Well, series producer Ken Matora for Yokai Watch announced the game in a blog post on the official Level 5 website. You can find our translation in the post below. At last, Pokemon and Yokai will meet in Pocket Watch. Pokemon and Yokai Watch fans have always expressed their interest in the two universes colliding, and today, we're happy to finally announce our latest game. Right off the bat, players will be able to encounter and battle both Pokemon and Yokai along one another as they explore an all-new story and world. In Pocket Watch, players decide how to play with an exciting story that never plays the same. Exciting quests, unlockable stuff. So the way I'm looking at Pocket Watch right now, it's kind of looking like Persona Q, Shadow of the Labyrinth a little bit. Because we had Persona 3 and Persona 4 mixing together, and when those two mixed together, it was just a favorite game. Because everyone's favorite P3 characters and everyone's favorite P4 characters, it was just milking cow for Yokai Watch. I mean, for Persona 3 or Persona 4. So, I can see this being like a milking the cow for Yokai Watch and Pokemon. I mean, it's a clever idea and it's really amazing, but there's one thing that keeps coming at me. Is this true? Or is this false? So, let us look it up. Level 5 website is what it said. So here we go. Level 5 website. Okay, 1 second. And it was the official website. Okay, we're investigating this, people, to see if this is true or if this is false. Level 5. There we go. So here we go. We have level 5. A message from level 5. Let's see what the message is. Okay. Okay. Wait, Yokai Watch available now. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what on earth is going on. What do we have here? We have... Okay, everyone, we're trying to figure this out because it's not making any sense. So let us head over to Twitter. So we're gonna check their Twitter account because this is not making any sense. Like, are they telling us the truth here. Okay. I don't know. Honestly, guys, I don't know. This is truth or if it's false. But yeah, that's all I know for the Pokemon. I don't know if this is truth or false. I want your guys' opinion. Do you think this is going to be false? Or do you think this is going to be true? All we can do for now is just wait, but for now, at least we know a possibility of an idea that'll be coming for Generation 8 for the Switch. It might not be the announcement of the Pokemon Switch title we've all been waiting for, but it's definitely an exciting moment for both Pokemon and Yokai Watch fans. So this might not be the Generation 8 game that we've been waiting for, but it's definitely something huge. And we finally found out this huge thing that you might want to look at, which is Pokewatch will feature full compatibility with Pokemon Ultra Sun and Pokemon Ultra Moon. Of course, you can transfer to recapture Pokemon in games. So I'm still trying to figure out if this is true or if this is false. We haven't seen a trailer of it yet. Wait. Have we? Everyone? It's time to look on YouTube right now. We are looking on YouTube. We have to see if this is truth or false. Pokemon, Yokai, Watch. Okay. Is this true? I'm not saying anything dealing with this. Seriously, does anyone see this? I'm not seeing... Wait. Oh, one more go, okay. Pocket Watch. Cross. Over. 1 year ago, no. No. So really, this is unknown. We don't know if this is true or if this is false. So everyone, it's time to speculate. Is this going to be true or false? And on my opinion on this, it sounds a little fishy, especially with it being April 1st. And I'm curious, who are you moving? Let us see, moving back in 2012. Okay. Okay. So, I don't know how trustworthy this guy is. Seriously. Because it is definitely April 1st. It sounds interesting. The title looks interesting. I just don't know. But yeah, everyone, I just wanted to let you guys know that we have something huge coming from Yokai Watch and Pokemon. And I just thought I might as well let you guys know now. And let me get out there before everyone else hits it, because I'm low on subscribers right now, sadly. I'm sorry to admit that, but if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share some love, and tell me what you guys think is going to happen. Is this true, or is this false?